Welcome to Essential Table Manners from the Emily Post Institute. Here's a question. Which bread plate and which glasses are mine, and which belong to the person sitting next to me? Hi, I'm Dan Post-Senning, and today I'm going to give you 2 simple tricks so you'll always know which bread plate and glasses belong to you. Sometimes you'll be at a crowded table, and it may be confusing as to which bread plate and which glasses are yours. There's a couple of easy ways to figure it out. Look at your hands and make a circle with your forefinger and thumb, like this. Notice that the left hand now resembles a small letter B, while the right hand resembles a D. All you have to remember is the B represents bread, and as your left hand is making the B, your bread plate is on the left of your place setting. Similarly, the D your right hand makes represents drinks, which are to the right of your place setting. Some car buffs out there may find it easier to think of BMW to help remember which bread plate and which glasses are theirs when they sit down to a meal. The B stands for bread, so your bread plate is to the left of your meal, just as the B is to the left in BMW. The M represents your meal, which goes on the plate in the middle of your place setting. The W represents your water glass, which is on the right side of your place setting, just as the W is to the right in BMW. That's it. Remember B and D, or BMW, and you'll always know which bread plate and glasses are yours and which belong to the person sitting next to you. Essential Table Manners are brought to you by the Emily Post Institute. Thank you for watching.